This is one of the best clippers that I ever used. It sounds warm and authentic, and the best part of it is 100% free during Black Friday. Let's say you have something like this, and you want to make it less dynamic and a bit dirtier. Here comes the clipper. Let's push it a bit more. Without. With. Sounds really warm. And let's try it on drums. Second one on the list is a very cool reverb plugin that's called Experiverb. Instead of using regular reverb interface, we have three different options. Here the depth of the reverb, almost kind of a drive it, but it's not drive it, it just extends the depth of the reverb and the length. And then we have the reverb shape, different character of the reverb basically. And then you have classic drive it option here, and then of course freeze option if you want to. I found it quite interesting. Let's try it on something else. Without. Wait. And let's try it on the drums. Really cool. And this one is from iZotope and it's called Audio Lens. It is kind of the same thing like we use in tonal balance. It creates a tonal curve of your reference track so that you can compare it with your own track. The good thing is you can actually save this one and export it to Neutron or Ozone and then use it there as well. You take your reference track, find a place that you can compare it to your own track. In this case, we want to compare the verses. And then you go to your audio lens and capture that part. And once you save your file, you can use it to compare any other tracks that you want in the future. If you are enjoying the video up to now, please consider like and subscribe. It helps a ton. And the next one on the list is a modulation plugin. It's like a combination of phaser, flanger, delay with a simplistic interface. So we have different presets over here, and then we have just option of type and then the modulation amount. And then you have some random over here and you can control drive it as well. Pretty minimalistic. Let's try.
When is it enough?
Let's try something like a guitar. It sounds pretty cool actually. Let's try one more time. Something aggressive this time. Really cool. Next one on the list is Loop Cloud subscription. If you're really tired of Splice and want something different, this is the perfect opportunity. At the moment it says $1 per month for 2 months, but actually you can get a 14 days free trial without paying anything, so that you can try it first before really committing to the Loop Cloud. On top of that, you also get something that's called Sublab, a hybrid kick and sub-bass plugin that you can layer different things. Overall, pretty interesting plugin. They are one of the oldest sample providers, so they have tons of different sample packs that you can choose from, and they have also pretty cool interface that you can find ticks quite easily. Let's get a cymbal, and here we go. We got it immediately. And then you can sort it from the tom, different filters. Let's say I want short one, mono. If you're happy to get the sample that you are looking for pretty fast, so take a look. The final one is not really Black Friday thing, but it is so no-brainer. I really wanted to add them onto the list, and that is Kilohertz Essential. So it's all the essential Kilohertz plugins in a one bundle, and it is free. You can just download and use them. It's basically have everything you would ever need, to be honest. And they all sound pretty darn good. If you need some type of free FX bundle, this is really the best one that you can get. Bonus one is something that I created myself. A sample pack that is completely free, and I added my favorite claps, closed hi-hats, kicks, open hi-hats, percussion shakers and snares. On top of that, we have 25% discount for everything that we have on Mercurial Tones, my courses, my presets, my samples, everything all together there as well. For all the plugins that are shown, you will find the download link